Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're making some Cantonese soy sauce chicken. You'll often see soy sauce chicken being displayed on Chinese restaurant windows. However, you may not want to make it with the whole chicken for yourself, so this recipe using just chicken thighs works just as well. So, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go! Soy sauce chicken is cooked by braising chicken in an aromatic soy sauce flavoured broth. And so we'll begin by making that. Add 500 ml of water into a pan. 60 ml of dark soy sauce. $60 ml of light soy sauce. Now we'll add the aromatics that we're going to use. White pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, 2 star anise, 4 dried shitake mushrooms, and 3 stems of spring onions. Add the aromatics into the pan and bring to a boil. Add in 2 tablespoons of rock sugar. And now for the chicken thighs. I'm using 4 thighs, which is enough for 2 people. Trim off any excess fat and add into the stock. Leave the bones in at this stage because it will be easier to remove after cooking to make it boneless. Let the stock come up to a boil again and let the chicken simmer away for 1 hour. After an hour, the chicken is ready. Remove from the stock and let it cool down for 5 minutes or until you can touch it with your hands. When the chicken has cooled down, you should be able to remove the thigh bone easily. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces and serve immediately. So that's how you make boneless soy sauce chicken thighs. Thanks for watching everybody. The recipe is in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and see you next time.